All right, so this is going to be another little triangle problem, which is about planes flying at certain directions and speeds, and we're trying to figure this out. So first, you should read the question and see if you can draw yourself a picture. So my picture, I'm going to try and draw this, and then we'll uncover and see if it matches what the book gave us as a picture. So we have two planes, and they're leaving from the same place. One is a bearing, this means again 66 degrees west of north. So instead of flying, if this is my airport right here, instead of flying north, it is flying, this plane is flying 66 degrees west, right? And it is flying at 325 miles per hour. Okay, so we could call that plane A. Plane B is flying on a bearing, again, of 26 degrees west of south. So instead of going due south, it is going 26 degrees west of south. And it is going at 300 miles per hour. Okay, so that's sort of the start of my picture. But that is not all the information they gave me. Well, they actually didn't give me much more. They just gave me the question. How far apart will the planes be after 2 hours? So right now, I have a couple of angles and have a couple of speeds, but I don't really have the lengths of my triangle. And what I want though, I do know that I want this distance apart. That's the thing that I'm looking for. Okay, so again, pause and think about what other information can I get from this problem and how would I use it? So hopefully, if you're thinking about this, after 2 hours, that's the piece of information I haven't used very much. I want to think about after 2 hours, plane A will have gone how far? If it's going 325 miles per hour, in 2 hours, it will go 650 miles. Similarly, plane B down here, this is plane B, 300 miles per hour for 2 hours, it will go 600. That is not very clear. Let's go 600 miles. And I want to find x. So I have two pieces of my triangle. I have a couple angles, but I don't have the angle I need. Hopefully, you also could figure out that if this one right here is 66 and this one right here is 26, this missing angle that I need to be able to solve is what I need to add up to 180, because those three angles add up to a straight line or 180 degrees. And so if I do that math, you should come up with this angle being 88 degrees, because the 88 plus 26 plus 66 should equal 180 degrees. And now I think I have everything I need to solve this problem. It's not a right triangle, so I can't use regular trig. If I think about law of sines, which I usually go to first, I do not have a pair of angle side opposite. I have this angle, but I do not have the side opposite. I have this side, but I do not have the angle opposite. And I have this side, so law of sines is off. What I look at when I see this picture is I see side angle side, which tells me law of cosines. And law of cosines, I know that x squared is going to be, and again, which one goes first doesn't matter. It's going to be 650 squared plus 600 squared minus 2 times 650 times 600 cosine of the angle between, which is 88 degrees. This is one you can just calculate straight out. Hopefully you should pause, try and calculate. So what I'm going to happen is I'm going to get x is the square root of whatever I got there. And your final answer should be 869.07 miles.